All right. Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Brad Kilgore here with Custom Shops Marketing and also part of the America's Best Shops team. So today, what I wanted to go over was some really cool stuff as far as direct mail. You know, everybody gets so many things in the email, but when it comes to stuff in the mailbox, the snail mail, a lot of people aren't getting offers or communication that way. So I just wanted to go over a couple of cool things. We have a system that's very, very powerful and can do some really cool stuff. One of them is sending out postcards. Try not to get the glare on it, but we can send out postcards, and they have the special QR code right here on them as well that has some built-in tracking, so you can actually see specifically who clicked on your QR code or scanned it with their camera, went to your website or your special offer page or whatever it is. And so that's a really powerful feature as well. You can also send out actual physical mail. And so with this, it sends it in an envelope. There's all different ways we can do this. And send out nice printed out with your logo. This is all done online. And it's very, very cool when somebody gets something nice in the mail, whether it's a thank you or an offer or something of detail like that. The other thing too is we can send all different types of gifts, but one of the coolest ones is like the brownies. When we send out the brownies, we can put your logo on it. We can put your special message on there and what have you. This is a game changer, if you ask me. This is a really cool deal where you can get people's attention. You know, stay top of mind with them as far as your business and what you do. And so just wanted to give you guys a real brief snippet of what's going on with direct mail. We can set all this up for you and really make an impact. So hopefully you guys, hopefully this is helpful. And Brad Kilgore, Custom Shops Marketing, signing off.